Hey, my name is Lonnie, and welcome to Playbook Mastery. This is a channel all about helping you make money online, as well as myself. I came across this program called My Lead Gen, and what it does is it gives you 100 to 200 leads per day that you can use in the biz op, make money online, that kind of stuff. So what I decided to do was I said I was going to try it out, and my plan is to run a campaign for the next 90 days and do a case study, and I'm going to post it here on my channel. Being my first thing I wanted to do on this channel, just to see how it goes, because I've seen quite a few people that are running the same My Lead Gen to different offers, and it's starting to pay off. Some of them are making $1,000 a week, 300 a week, whatever. So my goal is I want to start out by making $300 a week. I think that's a modest thing to do. And so here's how it's going to go. So the first thing first, and the reason that I even started this thing was because I'm gonna click into my ClickBank thing. I'll change it out. To my ClickBank account, and I just really kind of got serious about doing this. And the reason I'm doing this is because of this day. I played with this a little bit where I ran some ads and didn't run some ads, and it wasn't consistent. So I started seeing a few when I would actually put some time into it. So this was just today. So I made a $31.86 sale. So this sparked me to say, you know what, maybe I ought to take this serious and see if I can run this up to like 300, 500, whatever it is a week over the next 90 days. And this be just one form of income that I have that I don't have to put a whole lot of time into, but that I can make some consistent money. So here's how the program works. Here's what I'm going to be doing. So anyway, so there's an offer on ClickBank called it's a chat, social rep chats. And here's what I did when was trying to be consistent, but now I'm going to be consistent. So what I do is I basically took the email swipe file, this here, which I'll take that right here, and I'm using the service My Lead Gen. And what you do is I've already established myself first, and I'm going to show you how I got 200 leads per day. So I'll show you that at the end. So basically, here's what I did. I took that link, put it in here, took this here, and I put it, I'm gonna delete that, put it here. There's a couple things you're gonna have to change to make this work. First, you need this little setup here. What this does is when somebody comes in here, and it'll say that person's name for the email. So my name is Lonnie. So say, hi Lonnie, and continue on in the video. Continue on in email. So it sounds like it's a lot more personable. Okay. Then after that, then you will put the link that you have to your ClickBank, which I'm not gonna cover that in here because I don't want people picking on my ClickBank link, but you will put that link here just like it says. Now, signature. Here's something that I've done that I haven't seen a lot of people do, but it's a really cool twist to it, and it makes it a lot more personable. Now, you don't have to do this, but at least a couple times that I've done it, it seems to work. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this site here. It's called signaturehound.com. It's signaturehound.com. I'll put that in the description below. And so what it does is it makes you a nice looking signature. So here's another thing that I do. I created this account, and I have a Gmail for. I also have a Gmail phone number, which I is set to get text messages if people have questions. I can answer them on there, so it's set for that. And this is a channel that I'm working on. It's not fully done, so if you were to click there, it's going to probably say at this present time it will say coming soon, but it's a whole setup that I'm doing there. But anyway, here's how it works. So I take that, and by the way, the signature hound thing is free, so it's really cool. So copy and paste, and I go back. Excuse me, I'm into the wrong one. I go back. Here's what a signature is. I'm going to click the little source button. It'll take me at the bottom. And then, boom, I'm going to paste that code in there. Now come back. Voila. It puts this nice little setup. You might have to do a little touch up here. Whatever, to make it look a lot cleaner in your link. So then what I would do is I would hit this perfect timing, and perfect timing, what it means is it will go out and it will pick the perfect time to send this email to that particular person. So boom, with that being said, that's done. I've already done this for the day. So I can't do it again. So you only with this service, you're only allowed to do it once a day. So I'm gonna now show you the structure. So basically that's the way the email went out. I'll go back into here. So my email went out today already, and it's already had 1,231 opens, 11 clicks, open rates at 2%. So the day is not over, so it's still going to be sending out a bunch more emails. The one thing that I've learned about this particular service is it takes a little bit of time to get you up and going and get sales kind of rolling in. And I think that's more so because the emails that you're sending out to are people who don't know you, so they're cold emails. So it takes a little bit of time for them to get used to you, and they see your offers enough, and then they say, oh, well, maybe let me check this person out, and that sort of thing. So that's really how it goes. So I'm gonna go and show you basically my setup for getting those emails. Here's the setup. Now scroll it down a little bit. Here's the setup. So you set up a link chain, because the way it's set up right now, I recommend personally starting out with 5 accounts, because that kind of gives you a jump start to this whole thing. I wouldn't recommend more than that unless you really have a budget to put into this, but wouldn't recommend more than 5. But just, if it was me, I would just do 5. All right, so and then what that does is right now, if you sign up for each one, if you sign up for My Lead Gen just by yourself, you automatically would get 100 leads. Now, how it works is if somebody you refer them, they would get 100 and you would get 100. So now an extra 100. So now you get 200. And so here's the trick. You do what they call like a link chain for getting leads, or it's called daisy chain or whatever. So how it goes is you'll get your own referral link here. So when you buy the other account, you want to refer it to this account. So now that'll give you 200 there. You want to do that for 3. You want to do that for your 4th. You want to do that for your 5th. And then on that tail end, you're allowed to also promote My Lead Gen too. So if somebody comes in and they get My Lead Gen through your link as well, now you got your 5th 200 accounts. So pretty much that's how the whole setup goes. And now you're able to run your My Lead Gen. So you're, instead of you getting 100 leads, or what is that? We said 5 accounts. So that would be 500 leads a day. Now you're getting 1,000 leads a day. So, and you're going to keep building, keep building. So, like I said, it's a little bit of a slow process from everybody that I know that has done the same thing. And then that's what they're doing. So, with that being said, this is my first day. I'm hoping to have some crazy good, good reviews, some things, good things to say over the next few weeks. So I'm going to be doing this every day. I'm going to be posting Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday is my chill day. I do me. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Let's go.